New 7 management and planning tools. Quality management techniques designed for systematic planning and decision-making. These powerful tools help organizations solve complex management problems and support total quality management initiatives. Table of contents. Introduction to New 7 management and planning tools. Why quality planning matters. What are the New 7 MP tools? Learning objectives. Historical development of quality tools. Two types of quality tools: reactive versus proactive approaches, quantitative data versus qualitative data. Importance of verbal data. Overview of 7 management and planning tools. Benefits of the new 7MP tools. The 7MP tools: relations diagram, affinity diagram, tree diagram, matrix, diagram prioritization, matrix, process, decision program chart, PDPC, activity network. Diagram conclusion, applications of MP tools in strategic planning. Summary/key takeaways, 7 powerful tools for strategic planning. Relations diagram map, cause and effect relationships. Affinity diagram, organize ideas by natural patterns. Tree diagram, break down complex objectives. Matrix diagram, compare relationships visually. Matrix data analysis, quantify complex relationships. PDPC plan, contingencies for risks. Arrow diagram sequence, project timelines.